you want to open it really bad?
Yeah!
Okay, then open it.
Right now?
Go!
Pillows.
Well, tear the box open and at least let the rest of us see what's in it.
What is in the box? Something's in the box.
Little present.
Turn into it. Hurry.
Turn it around here where we can all see.
What's in there?
Come with me, Mom. I'm scared.
Oh.
Turn it around this way.
What's in there? There's some in there.
Crawl in there.
No.
Go get it.
Go get it.
No.
What is it?
I'm scared. I'm
It's
scared.
from Santa.
It's from Santa. It
What
can't
is
be
Hurry,
anything.
hurry. We want to know what it was so bad.
Crawl in there.
I'm not sure.
Might be turtles. Okay, dump them out then.
Yeah, I was going to say, let's dump it out.
Uh-oh, whoa.
Daggone.
Lumps of coal. What?
I've been good.
You got a jug of coal. Don't throw it.
I've been good.
We'll see what the other two are.
Hurry, hurry.
Love.
Santa left it at his house, and it had your name on it.
It's coal.
It's a diamond in the rough.
They're all coal.
I told you not to open that one. I don't think it was very funny. I don't know why. She has been good. What did that